know you guys are getting tired of all the Toyota videos on my channel, so today we're gonna mix it up and we've got the all-new Ford Ranger joining us today. This is the 2019 FX4 model, and we're headed out with the Tacoma TRD off-road into the deep snow. Before we head off into the snow, we're gonna air down our tires. Richard's doing it the old-fashioned way, one tire at a time, and then on the Ranger, we've got the MorrFlate quad tire system. This thing is pretty cool. Deflates all 4 tires at equal pressure at the same time, and likewise, we can reinflate at the same time. So you can see that we're connected to all 4 tires. Got our gauge here, so currently we're at 21.5. Just open this gauge to let out air pressure and then leave it open for a little bit. We'll close the valve to check the pressure again. I'll put a link to this product in the description below, and then I've got another video on my channel that goes over all the specifics on the system, gives you the full tutorial. If you want to check that out, a link to it is in the upper right hand corner. So once we've let this go for a little bit, we'll go ahead and close that valve again. And you'll see now we're at 18.5. So these are actually snowmobile trails that we're driving down right now. It's pretty impressive that both trucks are handling them just fine. The season ends at the end of November, then they won't be allowed anymore, but there's actually basically just snowmobile tracks in front of us. Well, the trail just started to get pretty narrow and steep and very deep. You can see the Ranger is mildly stuck, and we're gonna back up and get the Tacoma around since it's got the beefier tires to see if it could plow the way. And now Richard's stuck too, so this may be our turnaround point. Well, a word for the wise: leave a spare battery for your remote control on your winch, or don't leave it on. Can't use the winch right now, so hopefully the traction boards will get the Tacoma out. Then we'll deal with the Ranger. All right, so we're gonna give the Ranger a try since we can't get the Tacoma out, and maybe if we get this unstuck, it can pull the Tacoma. All right, well, the traction boards failed us. I don't know that I've actually had any experience where they got me unstuck, so they certainly seem like they should work, but not always the best solution. The good news is the Richard got his winch working again, so that should solve our problems. A winch is a wonderful thing. Well, I thought I'd take a quick minute to highlight each of the rigs. First off, we've got the 2017 Tacoma TRD Off-Road, obviously heavily modified. Got a set of Ironman Stage 2 foam cell shocks. You see, you've also got the upper control arms, and then a set of 285/75 R16 Nexen Radian MTX tires, so kind of a all-terrain mud terrain hybrid. And we've got the Raceline wheels. Up top here, we've got the TRD Pro Sport hood, TRD Pro grill with the Raptor lights. Got a nice bumper here with a winch, and we've got the LED light. Up top, we've got the Prinsu roof rack. He's got the front section and rear section on top of the Lear canopy. And then we've got the shovel, Max Trax, axe, and sometimes you'll find a FSR tent up there as well. Coming around back, we got the rear mounted spare tire, and he's also got the sliding out bed. And then we got the owner here, there's Richard. Go check him out at PDX Trailer Guy. Slide open real quick. Pretty sweet. And then we've got the 2019 Ford Ranger. This one's a little bit more stock. It is the FX4 model. It's also got the Lariat package. Very heavily loaded luxury and tech features. It's got some nice things that you don't get on the Tacoma. It's also got the Northwest Edition package. I'm not quite sure what that is, but I think it's the kind of grayish wheels and maybe some of the other grayer elements on the grill. He's got a set of BFG KO2 tires in a 265/70 R17, and then the Fox 2.0 shocks. So that truck's sitting just a little over 3 inches lift. This is about 2 inches. And yeah, I think that's it on the Ranger. But 2 pretty sweet rigs, and then inside we got Andrew driving. So yeah, there you go. Well, we certainly had a good time today. We're back at the parking lot now. We're repressurizing. Wanted to show you real quick the MorrFlate system again. We're hooked up to all 4 tires. Got the compressor hooked up, and we got our gauge here, pressurizing all 4 tires at the same time. So it makes it really easy. You don't have to check each of the 4 tires separately. Just wait until that gets to the pressure that you want it for pavement driving. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. For more off-roading videos, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.